everyone. My name is Stacy Chapman and welcome to my kitchen. This month's recipe is Easy Bake Egg White Bites. This recipe is high in protein and low in carbohydrates. Are you ready to get started? Your ingredients for this recipe are 9 medium eggs, 1 cup of spinach, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 medium tomato, Pam, a glass of water, and a muffin pan. Crack the eggs and remove the yolk to create egg whites. Add your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Dice finely your spinach as well as your tomato. Coat your pan with spray. This recipe will make 6 egg white bites. Place water in the empty muffin slots. Bake your egg white bites at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes.